Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get CapCut Pro. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter that feature is simply available on your CapCut, first you gotta go ahead, go to Play Store, go to search bar and type in CapCut and see if your app is the outdated version of it or not. Once you have seen that, you're gonna go ahead, if it's not, go ahead update it. That will be given in the open instead of open over there. And then afterwards, go ahead tap on this open option. Now here in this section, once you have done so, currently it is not available for us, but you can find this pro option given beside that little help icon with the question mark in it. Once you have tapped on that pro option, this will show you what is available, what's new here in this pro with this pro version of CapCut. And then afterwards you will be able to tap on this get subscription option that will be given here even in the settings icon. Once you have done so, you're going to go ahead tap on it, and then you're going to go ahead enter your payment method for it. Choose which plan you want, monthly, yearly. Once you have chosen that plan, you're going to go ahead pay for it. Once you've done the confirmation payment as well, then confirm your payment method as well. You will be able to get yourself a CapCut Pro for you to use for your professional purpose. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.